Okay, so good day, future professional food technologists. It's a pleasure to have you here today. Once again, it's board exam review season, and we all know what that means. So, the licensure examination is fast approaching, and the pressure is starting to build. I know many of you are feeling anxious, focused, and fully locked in on your review. After all, this is a milestone you've been preparing for throughout your food science and technology journey. But don't fret, we are here to guide you every step of the way. So the Upstep Review Center is committed to supporting you, strengthening your foundation, and sharpening your confidence as you prepare for the exam. So together, we will work towards achieving that sweet three-letter title you have all been dreaming of, which is the PFT and the professional license that comes with it. So to give you a glimpse of what our discussions are like when you join Upstep, so allow me to share a short introduction to food science and technology. So think of it as a quick preview, something to spark your curiosity and remind you why you started this journey in the first place. So, to introduce myself, I am Ellie P. Valencia. You can call me Miss Ellie. I graduated as cum laude with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Food Science and Technology at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. I am currently a project technical staff at the UPLB Institute of Food Science and Technology. I was a food safety inspector under the UPLB Food Safe program last 2025, and I ranked 6 during the Food Technologists Computer-Based Licensure Examination last 2025. So to start, no, whenever people hear food tech, especially those who are not familiar with our field, they often ask, so food tech, ano yun, luto-luto lang? And honestly, I encounter this a lot, especially in our hometown, in places where food science and technology is not offered as a course. So people naturally associate food with cooking alone. And while the question may sound funny, and sometimes we laugh about it, it is also quite alarming because it shows that many people are still unaware of the discipline, the science, and the profession behind the food they eat every single day. So, food science and technology is not just about cooking, it is about the chemistry, microbiology, engineering, nutrition, quality control, and so much more. That is why it is important for us to talk about this because, as future professional food technologists, part of our role is not only to practice the profession but also to advocate for it. So today, let's clarify what really is food science and technology. So, to begin with, food science is a multidisciplinary field that integrates various scientific disciplines such as chemistry, microbiology, biology, engineering, and nutrition to transform raw materials into safe, palatable, and nutritious food products. It goes beyond simple preparation. It ensures that the food we produce is not only enjoyable to eat, but also safe for consumption and capable of contributing to food security for a growing global population. So, to further define food science, it also focuses on understanding the properties and behavior of food, its chemical and nutritional composition, as well as its flavor, texture, and appearance. At the same time, it studies how food components change during processing, preservation, and storage, and how we ensure food safety by identifying hazards and controlling contaminants, pathogens, and spoilage organisms. Next is food technology. So it is the discipline of applying science like chemistry, biology, and engineering to convert raw materials into safe, nutritious, and stable food. So it covers post harvest handling, processing, packaging, and distribution, ensuring food security and quality. So basically, we take the different theories and concepts in food science and apply them to real world situations. So we don't just study the science, but we use it to develop products, improve processes, ensure food safety, solve industry problems, and create innovations that reach the market. So that is where food technology comes in. So it is the application of food science into practical industry based solutions. So now let's take a look at the core courses in food science and technology. So these subjects form the foundation of our training as future professional food technologists rather. So they equip us with the scientific knowledge, technical skills, and critical thinking abilities needed to work in research, industry, quality assurance, product development, food safety, and beyond. So these are not just subjects we take for compliance, but these are the pillars of our profession. So first, it's the food chemistry. So it is the study of the fundamental composition, the structure and properties of food, as well as the chemical changes that occur during processing, storage, and utilization. So it integrates principles from general chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry to explain the behavior, functionality, and stability of food components. Next is the food analysis. So it focuses on the principles, the methods, and techniques used for the qualitative and quantitative physical and chemical evaluation of food products and ingredients. So it also includes proper sampling, method validation, and instrumental analysis to ensure food quality, safety, and compliance with standards. So this area is strongly grounded in concepts from chemistry and food chemistry. So, for example, the figure here shows a Soxhlet apparatus, which is used in the determination of crude fat of food samples. Next is food microbiology. So it examines the effects of environmental factors on food spoilage and food manufacture, methods for the physical, chemical, and biological destruction of microorganisms, and the microbiological examination of foods. It also encompasses public health, microbiology, sanitation, food safety systems, and proper food handling practices. So meron tayong mga mikrobyo, no? Na may magandang dulot sa pagkain at ginamit din natin ito sa food processing kagaya ng paggawa ng yogurt, gumagamit tayo ng mga culture starters. So, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus to ferment lactose to produce lactic acid. So also, may mga mikrobyo na masama ang dulot sa atin na pwede din mag-cause ng food poisoning or intoxication. So malalaman natin ito lahat pag nagkuha tayo ng food microbiology. Matutukoy din natin ito sa review since kasama ito sa board exam. So, lastly is food processing. So, it covers the general characteristics of raw food materials and the principles of food preservation and transformation. So, when we say food processing, it's not just simply yung paggawa ng iba't ibang produkto. So, food processing is the application of scientific and technological methods to transform raw materials into value-added, safe, stable, and marketable food products. It involves techniques such as heating, drying, fermentation, freezing, packaging, and preservation, ensuring that food remains safe, nutritious, and accessible to consumers. So in short, food processing is where science meets production. So example nito ay sa paggawa ng wine and paggawa ng mga jam. So here are other courses that we will tackle. So we will tackle all of this during the Food Technology Licensure Examination Review if you will join us at Upstep. So, to test na whether you remember our discussion earlier, so we will have a short quiz. So don't worry, it's only two items. Okay, so for the first item, it is a multidisciplinary study that combines various scientific disciplines to convert raw materials into safe, palatable, and nutritious food while ensuring food safety and security for the global population. A. Food science, B. Food technology, C. Food safety, or D. Food security. So feel free to pause the video. Okay, so the answer is A. Food science. So, himay-himayin natin ang question, no? So, ang ginagawa ko kasi dito, binabasa ko muna din lahat ng choices. So, from the question, sabi dito, it is a multidisciplinary study that combines various scientific disciplines. So, doon pa lang, no, pwede ka na mag-eliminate ng mga choices mo. So, dito sa choices, anong hindi fit sa definition ng definition dito? So, it is food technology. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi kanina, application siya and hindi application siya, study siya, pero application siya ng food science. So next ay food security. Hindi din siya pwede since it is the condition in which all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their dietary needs and preferences for an active and healthy life. So wala na ang food technology, wala na ang food security, ang natira na lang ay food science and food safety. So we all know naman na yung food safety naman is part of the scientific disciplines under food science. And also, may iba ding definition ang food safety. So it is the practice of handling, processing, and storing food in ways that prevent contamination and protect consumers from foodborne hazards such as biological, chemical, and physical risk. Also, tingnan nyo dito, no, nasa question na siya. So, andito, while ensuring food safety and security for the global population daw. So, for sure, this definition is more than just defining food security itself. So, mas malakihan pa siya. So, the answer here is food science. So next question, it is the practical application of food science. It also involves using information and concepts from food science in the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, and distribution of safe, nutritious food. So A, food science, B, food technology, C, food safety, and D, food security. You can pause the video to answer. Go. Okay, so the answer is food technology. Okay, so again, sabi kasi dito, it is the practical application of food science. So since food safety is part of the core courses of food science, hindi din siya food security kasi condition or state siya, at hindi din food science kasi nga practical application siya ng food science. So the answer is food technology. So, and that concludes our short introduction to food science and technology. But of course, this is just a glimpse, just the beginning. So, if you want to dive deeper, strengthen your foundation, and prepare strategically for the board exam, we invite you to join us at the Upstep Review Center. Let's work hand in hand, support one another, and move with purpose towards that goal. Together, let's claim that license and proudly put those three powerful letters at the end of your name, which is the PFT. So see you at Upstep. Bye.